I'd like to introduce you all to the RumiRock, which is a really cool new item that I just got on Amazon. It consists of a platform for a computer, which can be tilted up or down to 30 degrees, a footrest, which I'll show you about, which rotates and also can go up and down, a pedestal which has locking casters, and I can adjust the height of this table up or down, whatever is ergonomically the most beneficial for my body. If I want to be really relaxed, I can sit, work at the right height so that my eyes are directly across from the screen, and I can also lower this down to here if that feels better. And to be really comfortable, I can put my feet up. This is extremely comfortable, and work on it like this. If I have very long legs, I can rotate this, and I can work on it like that. So I think that this is a very, very good item that really seems to work in many different angles, and I've never felt so comfortable working on a computer.
Oh, I wish this dorm room had a decent computer desk. It's so crowded in here, I'm never gonna get my research done. Where am I?
Your wish is granted.
Who are you?
Well, I used to be a computer virus, but I've evolved. There's just no money in it anymore. So now I get people hooked on the eJoy mobile PC workstation.
Is that what this is?
You bet. Just look at the cool features. Go ahead, try it. You can tilt the monitor so it's just at the perfect angle, and raise or lower it as well. Need to move it around? It's on wheels with brakes, so when you don't want to move anymore, it'll stay put. And I see you've already figured out you can sit or stand and still work comfortably.
No! Where did it go? I gotta order the eJoy mobile PC workstation right now.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.